Today, a historic New York City church welcomed two out-of-town visitors. First Lady Jill Biden and Dr. Anthony Fauci were at Abyssinian Baptist Church in Harlem. They met with people getting COVID vaccine shots at the church's clinic. It was open to ease vaccine concerns. But the holdouts are still an issue, especially in underserved communities. CBS's Mola Lenghi has that story.
You're doing the right decision.
This shot in the arm was not inevitable for Alfie Aracena. It took some convincing to get his COVID vaccine.
After all these rumors about the COVID vaccine, negative rumors, my doctor always advised me, telling me about this, about the vaccine.
Dr. Francisco Rosario has been Alfie's primary care physician for 20 years, about as long as Rosario has been practicing in this Harlem neighborhood. It's not unusual for him to care for several generations of a single family. It's also not unusual for his patients to be weary of the COVID vaccine.
They don't feel that comfort level when they go to a immunization center. They might have a little hesitancy and they will not get it anywhere, but they will get it with their primary care providers.
If not for your doctor, do you think you'd be getting the vaccine?
No.
Alfie is not an anomaly. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo.
Vaccine hesitancy. I don't like the word hesitancy. It's distrust.
It's a distrust that exists in underserved communities disproportionately affected by COVID-19 across the country. Yet, the medical providers many trust most, their primary care physicians, have largely been sidelined from giving the shots. The CDC is urging states to increase doctors' shares of the vaccine.
Could you have made a bigger impact if you had gotten the vaccine earlier?
Definitely. I'm pretty sure.
Somos, a network of minority doctors, including Dr. Rosario, serving more than 1 million low-income New Yorkers, was recently the first in the state to receive and administer vaccines for their patients.
We speak their own languages because we are immigrants like them. We are the same people. They choose us to be the doctor because they trust, they believe, because we know each one of them from the beginning.
A trust that may be as effective as the vaccine itself.
You trust your doctor?
Yeah, I trust a lot my doctor. He convinced me, and I'm over here.
Mola Lenghi, CBS News, New York.